This tutorial guides you through the complete process of paying advance tax on the Income Tax Department's official website. You will learn how to securely log in, select the appropriate tax period, enter payment details, and complete the transaction using online banking. Click the Login button on the Income Tax Department homepage to begin the payment process. Click the field labeled Enter Your User ID to prepare for entering your login credentials. Enter your user ID to identify your account on the income tax portal. User ID is your PAN number. Enter your password associated with your user ID to proceed with secure login. Click the Continue button to move forward after entering your login credentials. Click to confirm the secure access message displayed above to verify your login attempt. Enter the security code as part of the authentication process to ensure account safety. Click the Password field to input your account password securely. Enter your password to authenticate your identity on the income tax portal. Click the Continue button to complete the login process and access your account. Click the ePay Tax option to initiate the advanced tax payment procedure. Click the New Payment button to start a fresh tax payment transaction. Click the Proceed button to confirm your intent to make a new payment. Click the indicated link to continue to the Payment Details section. Select the financial year 2026 to 27 for which you want to pay the advance tax. Click the Select button to confirm your choice of the financial year. Select the Advance Tax 100 option to specify the type of tax payment. Click the Continue button to move to the next step after selecting the tax type. Click the field labeled A Tax to enter the amount of advance tax to be paid. Enter the amount of advance tax you wish to pay in the provided field. Click the Continue button to proceed after entering tax and interest amounts. Click the ICICI Bank option to choose your payment bank for the transaction. Enter the bank name to filter and select the appropriate bank branch. Click the Continue button to confirm your bank selection and proceed. Click the Pay Now button to initiate the payment process through the selected bank. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding with payment. Confirm your agreement to the terms by clicking the appropriate option. Switch to the bank's payment portal to continue the transaction securely. Click the Pay as Corporate User option to proceed with corporate payment mode. Switch to the ICICI Corporate eBanking login page to authenticate your corporate account. Click the Login ID field to enter your corporate banking credentials. Enter your corporate login ID to access your corporate banking account. Go to the Password field to input your corporate banking password. Enter your corporate banking password to authenticate your login. Click the Proceed button to complete corporate login and continue payment. Switch back to the bank's payment portal to finalize the tax payment. Click the Continue button to proceed with the payment after login. Click the Remarks field to add any notes related to your advance tax payment. Enter remarks such as advance tax payment details for your reference. Enter OTP. Enter your password to authorize the advance tax payment transaction. Click the Submit button to finalize and submit your advance tax payment. Switch back to the Income Tax Department's e-filing homepage after payment completion. Click the Download button to obtain your payment receipt or acknowledgement. Click your user profile name to access account options and documents. Click the Log Out button to securely exit your income tax portal session. You have successfully completed the advance tax payment on the Income Tax Department's website. Verify your payment receipt and consider exploring additional tax filing options or account management features for further assistance.